the area of bio threats and dealing with how to respond to pandemics, brought together again this paradox of you need new drugs but you have to make them rapidly. And so how's that going to work? How do you do that? I mean, this was and I wouldn't expect people to understand that necessarily that the pharmaceutical industry is a conservative industry. It takes a long time to develop a drug. And to ask the field to compress something that's taking normally years and do it in months or weeks is just unprecedented. And yet today, that's exactly what's happening with COVID. A normal pathway to a vaccine is 10 years. And that involves hundreds of animal studies, various kinds of clinical studies, all kinds of data gathering that because vaccines are generally given to healthy people. So it's not even regular drugs are given to sick people. Vaccines are now given to healthy people. So you really can't accept, things that you could accept in a therapeutic mode, you can't accept in the vaccine world. And so it takes a long time to develop a safe and efficacious vaccine. And yet, I think through some of the groundwork that many people, certainly I was just a small part of this whole experience of trying to think about how do you accelerate manufacturing in the face of a pandemic. I think what's happening now is we did learn something over the years, and we're trying now to expand upon it in ways that have never been done before. I think that what's coming up is I don't know when the vaccine is going to come out, but I think there will be one or more vaccines over the next few months. If fortune is on our side, it'll be before the end of the year. If not, it'll be sometime, certainly in the first half of next year. And, that's just, that's light
speed.
That's light speed.
That really is.
So
yeah.
we are, I think we're in a time where where people have to start thinking this way. And, if COVID is a pandemic that has been thrust upon us, there's, a lesson we need to learn from that. And that is, it's likely that whether the next one is COVID or something else, it's likely to happen again. And I think as a nation, we're going to be far more prepared. We will learn an enormous amount from this. And it's sort of gratifying to have played, a part in that.